Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics. Term 1, chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is subtraction. This is our revision lecture number 2. Today's topics are number 1, subtraction on number line, then subtraction sums, subtraction fact, in which we will learn about the relation between addition and subtraction. Write the missing digits and word problem sums of subtraction. Let's start. Our first topic is subtraction on number line. Okay, and here we have to show 12 minus 8 on the number line. So here this is a number line. Here the numbers are written from 0 to 25. ठीक है बेटा, and we have to show 12 minus 8. So our first number is 12. So we will move from 0 to 12 like this, 0 to 12. Okay, now we have to subtract 8 from 12. Okay, now we have to speak backward counting. Okay, so we will start from 12 and move to the backward. So 12 to 11, first step, then 11 to 10, 2, then 10 to 9, 3, 9 to 8, 4, 8 to 7, 5, 7 to 6, 6, and 6 to 5, 7, and 5 to 4, 8. So here we have taken 8 steps backward. Okay, and we reached at the number 4. Okay, so 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Understood beta? B part. Here in B part, show 16 minus 5 on number line. So here again we have a number line. Here we have numbers from 0 to 25. So first of all, first number is 16. So we have to move from 0 to 16. Okay, our first step is from 0 to 16 like this. Okay, now we have to subtract a 5 from it. So we have to speak backward counting. So let's start from 16 to 15, one step, 15 to 14, second step, 14 to 13, third, 13 to 12, 4, and 12 to 11, 5. So here we have taken 5 steps backward. Okay, and we reached at number 11. So our answer is 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. Okay beta. Now the next one is subtract the following. Here in A part it is given places, ones, tens and hundreds, 429 minus 213, and we have to solve it from our ones place. Okay, so let's start from ones place. 9 minus 3. So keep 9 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. So let's start. 8, 7, 6. So we will write 6 here at ones place column. Now 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So our answer is, means our difference is 216. क्योंकि जब हम दो नंबर्स को माइनस करते हैं तो जो उसका आंसर आता है we call it difference. Okay, now in B part we have given 188 minus 146. So we will start from our ones place. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our answer is 42. Okay beta. Now in C part it is given 435 minus 17. Okay, so we have to start from our ones place column. Here at ones place column it is given 5 minus 7, but beta, 5 is the smaller number than 7. We cannot subtract a 7 from 5. Okay, so what we will do, we have to take borrow. So here ones place will take borrow from tens place. Okay, and this number will become 5 plus 10, and that is equal to 15. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बेटा, जब भी वंस प्लेस टेंस से बोरो लेता है तो टेंस अपना 110 देता है इसे। तो 10 इसने दे दिए, 5 इसके पास ऑलरेडी थे, सो 10 plus 5 is 15. Now at tens place column, it has 3 tens and it has given 1 10 to ones place. Okay, so how many tens are left with it? That is 2. Okay, now keep 15 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we will write 8 here at ones place column. Now 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We will write here at tens place column. Now 4 minus 0 is the number itself, that is 4. So what is the difference between 435 and 17? That is 418. Okay. Now in D part, we have to subtract 209 from 604. Okay beta. So let's start from our ones place. So here at ones place it is given 4 minus 9. But 4 is the smaller number than 9. So we have to take borrow. So ones place always takes borrow from tens place. But you can see here at tens place it is 0 given. Okay. So first of all, who will take borrow? That is tens place. Okay. So tens place will take borrow from hundreds place. So this number will become 10 because 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. And at hundreds place column, this number will become 5. 6 minus 1. हमेशा ये ध्यान रखना है बेटा कि जब भी हम बोरो दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो जो बोरो ले रहा है वो अपने आप में 10 ऐड करेगा और जो बोरो दे रहा है वो अपने में से 1 माइनस करेगा। अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि वो हमेशा अपना 110 देता है। ओके, नाउ at tens place column, now it has 10 tens. Now ones place will take borrow from tens place and this 4 will become 4 plus 10, that is 14. And here at tens place 10 minus 1, okay, that is equal to 9. Now we have to solve it. So keep 14 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So our answer is 5. So we will write here at ones place column. Now 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, we get the same number and that is 9. And 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So what is the difference? That is 395. Now in question number 3, fill the blanks with subtraction fact. So beta, we learn about subtraction fact, okay, or we can say the relationship between addition and subtraction. Okay, so here you can see we have given 10 plus 5. So when we add 10 plus 5, our answer is 15. Okay, and beta, जब हमें ये given है और अगर हम इस एडिशन के जो टोटल आया है हमारे पास, इस टोटल में से अगर कोई भी इन दोनों में से एक भी नंबर माइनस करते हैं, then we will get the another number. So here it is given 15 minus 5. Okay, so our answer is 10. तो आपने यहाँ देखा कि we have given 3 numbers 10, 5 and 15. And here first of all we have written total, that is 15. ठीक है, अब 15 में से हम माइनस कर रहे हैं क्या? 5. So we will get 10. और अगर हम 15 में से 10 माइनस करेंगे then we will get 5. Okay. Now in B part, it is given 26 plus 4 is equal to 30. Then dash minus 4 is equal to 26. तो आपने यहाँ पे क्या करना है? We have given 4 and 26 both numbers, but 30 is not given. So we will write 30 here. तो हमें कुछ भी सॉल्व करके नहीं देखना है इसमें, जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है उसी में हमारा आंसर है। अंडरस्टूड? सो वी हैव टू फिल इट डायरेक्टली। ओके, जो नंबर हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है बट आंसर में नहीं दिया हुआ, वी हैव टू राइट ओनली दैट नंबर। ओके, नाउ इन सी पार्ट, 45 plus 50 is equal to 95. So here 95 minus dash is equal to 45. Which number is not given? Here 45 is given Okay, and 95 is also given. So which number is not given? That is 50. So we will fill 50 here. Now in D part, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, and 8 minus 5 is equal to dash. So which number we will write? That is 3. Now in E part, 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. Dash minus 20 is equal to 40. So which number is not given? That is 60, the total. Okay, so we'll write here 60. Now in F part, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 13 minus dash is equal to 7. Which number is not given? That is 6. So we'll write 6 here. So in subtraction fact beta, always remember that we have given two numbers, and when we added those two numbers, whatever is the total, ठीक है, अगर हम उस टोटल में से कोई भी एक नंबर माइनस करेंगे, then we will get the next number. ठीक है, जो नंबर हमें एक नंबर हमने माइनस किया तो we will get the next number, जो दूसरा नंबर होगा, दोनों नंबर्स जो हमने ऐड किए हैं. Understood? Now write the missing digits. So here this is given to us 42 minus 1, then box बना हुआ है is equal to box and 3. This is given to us. Okay, we have arranged it in columns. Now we have to solve it beta. We have to fill these digits, okay, in columns. So 2 minus dash is equal to 3. 2 में से क्या माइनस करें कि हमें आंसर मिल जाए 3? But beta you can see 2 is the smaller number than 3. तो हम 2 में से तो 3 माइनस नहीं कर सकते. So here we have taken borrow, है ना. So we will write here 2 plus 10, that is 12. और ये जो 4 है ये क्या बन जाएगा हमारा 3. Now 12 में से हम क्या माइनस करें कि आंसर हमारा 3 आ जाए. तो अभी मैम ने आपको बताया था कि सब्ट्रैक्शन फैक्ट क्या होता है. 12 में से 12 इज द टोटल ना, तो 12 में से अगर हम 3 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमें ये वाला आंसर मिल जाएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 12 अपने माइंड में रखेंगे. ओपन योर 3 फिंगर्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. 11, 10, 9. So we will write 9 here. Okay, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Understood? So 42 minus 19 is equal to 23. Now in B part, this is given to us, and first of all we are arranging it in columns. Okay, like this. Now we have to start from our ones place. So 4 minus 7, that is not possible. So here we have to take borrow. So 4 will become 14, 4 plus 10, and this 5 will become 5 minus 1, that is 4. So keep 14 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. So let's start backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So we will write 7 here at ones place column. And 4 minus dash is equal to 2. 4 में से हम क्या माइनस करें कि हमारा आंसर 2 आ जाए. So 4 में से अगर हम इस 2 को माइनस कर देंगे, then we will get this number. So that is equal to 2. So 54 minus 27 is equal to 27. Now the next is word problem sums. So here in A part it is given the sum of two numbers is 60. अगर दो numbers का sum 60 है, if one of the numbers is 40, अगर उनमें से एक number 40 है, then find the other number. तो अभी अभी मैम ने आपको subtraction factor सिखाया था बेटा कि दो numbers का जब हमें total given होता है और उनमें से एक number हमें पता हो, then we can easily find out the other number. So first of all we will write places ones and tens. So 60, okay, and minus 40, है ना. अब अगर हमें एक नंबर पता है तो दूसरा नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए we have to subtract. So we will start from our ones place. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So what is our answer? That is 20. So the other number is 20. Understood? Now in B part, I am a 3-digit number. नंबर कह रहा है कि मैं एक 3 डिजिट का नंबर हूँ. I am 170 less than 480. मैं 170 कम हूँ 480 से. वो अपने बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है. ओके, सो व्हाट नंबर एम आई, तो बताइए मैं कौन सा नंबर हूँ. सो हियर व्हाट इज गिवन बेटा कि जो नंबर है दैट इज 170 लेस देन 480. वो 480 से 170 कम है. तो फॉर फाइंड आउट इट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 480. ठीक है, 170 we will subtract from 480. So first of all we will write places ones, tens and hundreds. Then 480, the greater number, and then 170. So let's start from our ones place. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so our answer is 310. Okay, now in C part there are 670 students in a school. बेटा एक स्कूल में 670 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो गर्ल्स और बॉयज दोनों को मिलाकर बनते हैं. 340 ऑफ देम आर बॉयज. अगर उनमें से 340 क्या हैं, बॉयज. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर देयर इन अ स्कूल. तो बताइए हाउ मेनी मीन्स कितनी गर्ल्स हैं उस स्कूल में. ओके, सो बेटा here we have given total number of students and that is 670. So first of all we will write places ones, tens and hundreds, then 670, then 340 boys we have given. Okay, and we have to find out the number of girls. तो number of girls निकालने के लिए we have to subtract. So let's start from our ones place. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 7 minus 4. So keep 7 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 6, 5, 4, 3. So we'll write 3 here at tens place column. 6 minus 3, that is also equal to 3. So how many girls are there in a school? That is 330 girls. You have to write this, the word that is given after how many in the question in word problem sums. आपने हमेशा इस चीज को ध्यान रखना है बेटा कि जो how many के बाद word दिया होता है you have to write it in the answer. Okay, now the next is in D part there were 490 chickens in a poultry farm. एक poultry farm में 490 chickens हैं. 156 out of them were sold. उनमें से 156 जो थे वो बेच दिए गए. How many chickens were left? तो अब बताना है हमें कि उस poultry farm में कितने chickens रह गए. Okay, so here we have to subtract. जब भी हमें left word given होता है we have to subtract. Okay, so first of all we will write places ones, tens and hundreds, then 490 and minus 156. Okay, so let's start from our ones place. So here at ones place it is given 0 minus 6, but you know 0 is the smaller number than 6. We cannot subtract it directly, so here we have to take borrow. So this 0 will take borrow from tens place. So this number will become 0 plus 10, that is equal to 10. And here at tens place column 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So write 8 here. Now we have to subtract. So keep 10 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So we will write 4 here at ones place column. Now keep 8 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Yes, let's start backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So we will write 3 here at tens place column. Now 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So here 334 chickens were left. So we will write 334 chickens. Okay, E part, the difference between two numbers are 160. दो numbers का difference हमें दिया हुआ है बेटा 160. If greater number is 240, what is the smaller number? अगर greater number 240 है तो स्मॉलर नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वी हैव टू subtract both the numbers. Okay, so first of all we will write 240 then 160. So let's start from our ones place. So 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0, and here at tens place 4 minus 6, we cannot subtract because 4 is smaller number than 6. So here tens place will take borrow from hundreds place. So 4 will become 4 plus 10, 14, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So keep 14 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we will write 8 here at tens place column. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the smaller number? That is 80. So the smaller number is 80. Yes beta. Now in F part, a bus carried 46 students. एक बस ने 46 students कैरी किए. 28 students got down. उनमें से 28 students नीचे उतर गए. How many students were left in the bus? तो बताइए कि बस में कितने बच्चे रह गए. So to find out this, we have to subtract both the numbers. So first of all we will write places ones and tens, then 46 and 28. Now we have to start from ones place. So 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 is not possible क्योंकि 6 हमारा smaller number है and 8 is greater number. So here we have to take borrow. अगर ये ऊपर वाला number हमारा smaller होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, borrow लेते हैं, and ones place will take borrow from tens place. So this number will become 6 plus 10, that is 16. And here at tens place column, this number will become 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. So now keep 16 in your mind and open your 8 fingers. Let's start backward counting. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we will write here 8. And at tens place column, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So how many students were left in the bus? That is 1, 8, 18. 18 students were left in the bus. Understood beta? Today's homework is do revision assignment number 2 of chapter 3 subtraction term 1 given on EdQuack website. ठीक है बेटा, मैम ने आपके लिए असाइनमेंट बनाया है. You have to do that assignment and send it on my mail ID. Okay beta? Thank you.